Grabe yung kaba, sir, kasi na sa isip ko na enough na ba yung napag-studyhan ko
Mm,
or
mm,
hindi pa ba? Ready na ba ako? Sabi ko na ipagkatiwala ko na lang talaga lahat kay Allah na,
mm.
na siya na yung nakakaalam kung pasado ako o hindi.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris from Nasha Business Consultancy Services. Nurse Jenapi de Sumemba, RN, USRN from Sapad, Lanao del Norte. How are you, ma'am? Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, sir. I'm Jenna P. Katamora de Suminda, PHRN, and now I can finally say I am a USRN.
Wow, congratulations for passing the NCLEX, ma'am. First, ma'am, we would like to know the reason and what
Yeah.
motivates you to take the NCLEX and aspire to become a registered nurse in the USA.
Pinakauna po talaga is it gives me opportunity to support my family, grow professionally, and to gain experience in a highly respected healthcare environment, and to give me a chance also to challenge myself and to expand my skills.
Wow, that's a really, really excellent reason, ma'am. And you already challenged yourself because you already passed the
Yes.
NCLEX. And
Yeah.
you are now one step closer to your American dream. Going back to your exam preparation and review, ma'am, can you tell us more in detail? How do you manage your time? Did you create a study guide? If you are currently working, how many hours po kayo nagre-review? And what are the strategies and techniques that you've done in order for you to pass the NCLEX?
Napakahirap talaga, especially noong una po kasi may trabaho 12 hours, so kailangan
Mhm.
talaga ng self-discipline
Mhm.
na maglaan ng oras sa pag-study. So pag AM shift po ako, after ng work pagka-uwi 8 p.m., nagbabasa ako ng ilang topics. Then pag at 3:50 a.m., nag-pray ako. Minsan din maiwasan na maisip ko,
Mhm.
kaya ko ba to? Kasi nakakapagod na. So, kailangan mo talaga na magtiwala lang, believe in yourself na kakayanin mo. Kaya, sa una lang yan, malalampasan din kasi kailangan mo mag-take a risk din para sa future.
Wow, that's a good preparation, ma'am. Currently working pa po pala
So,
kayo. And then
yes po.
you have just limited hours, but of course you do few banks from time to time.
Sa day off lang po talaga ako, may maraming time.
So in total, ma'am, how many months po yung exam preparation and review ninyo?
Simula nung May, na ako, nag-start na ako mag-Qbanks at saka minsan sumasagot din po ako sa app ng Nasha. Gamit na gamit din po yung sa Nasha. Then, simula nung May, June, as in, focus lang talaga sa pag-study. Kaya, yung mga katrabaho ko hindi makapaniwala, na-shock na lang sila na nakapasa po ako kasi hindi ko pa sinabi sa kanila. Kasi sa bahay lang talaga nakapag-study. Then, May, June, July lang po.
Wow, congratulations for that, ma'am. Around
Ano
two
po.
months na exam preparation and review at the same time doing day open, no? But you
Yes po.
made it, no? Talagang binigay ni Allah yan sa'yo, no?
Alhamdulillah.
Yung pagiging USRN. When it comes to the examination day, ma'am, during the examination day, how does it feel? Ano yung na-feel natin? Anong number kayo nag-stop? How many hours kayo nag-stop? And after 2 days and a half, yung nalaman nyo yung exam result ninyo, how does it feel?
Sobra din akong nagpapasalamat sa Nasha kasi 1 week before my exam,
Mm.
nag-message sila sa akin kung kakalma. Kasi
Oo.
sobra yung kaba. Saka 3 days before my exam, nag-remind din sila kung ano yung dapat
Mm.
dadalhin. No, para hindi na ako matataranta kung ano bang kailangan kong gawin, ano
Mm.
kailangan dalhin, ano yung bawal. 3 a.m. pa lang andun na ako sa Alabang. Sobrang excited lang. Grabe yung kaba, sir, kasi sa isip ko na enough na ba yung napag-studyhan ko
Mm.
or
Mm.
hindi pa ba? Ready na ba ako? Sabi ko na ipagkatiwala ko na lang talaga lahat kay Allah na
Mm.
siya na yung nakakaalam kung pasado ako o hindi. or ginawa ko naman yung best ko, tatanggapin ko kung anong mga magiging resulta. As in, pagkatapos ng exam po, I feel defeated. Nakarelate na ako sa iba na felt defeated talaga. Sabi ko kasi pag hindi siya mag-stop ng 85 questions, parang, ay wala na to. Kasi inisip ko na, sige bigyan ko ng chance. Pag maglagpas ng 100, ay, hindi ko na tinitingnan, sir. Last ko na tingnan ng mga 112. Pero nakasagot lang din ako ng mga 6 items. Biglang nagulat na, nag-stop, nag-blackout na. Nag-shutdown na, yun na, nagulat ko. Siguro nasa mga 112 to 118 ko yung nag-shutdown yung computer ko.
And after 2 days and a half, yung nalaman nyo na yung result?
Expected ko po kasi na mag-message yung Nasha Monday kasi wala pong work yung mga staff ko niya na Saturday and Sunday. Morning noon, kakabalik ko lang sa work. Kasi pag-aakyat ko pala sa station, pag-open ko pala ng phone, Nasha agad yung bumalita sa akin. Ma'am, congratulations. Nag-message yung Nasha Saturday. Grabe talaga yung ng Nasha. Anytime talaga, kahit may inquiries din ako, sumasagot din po. Napaka-approachable. Then, nagulat ako. Sobrang ako thankful sa Nasha kasi binibigyan talaga ako ng time. Sinasagot yung mga tanong ko. So, ang ganda ng morning ko pag galing sa mahabang off, kakabalik lang ng work, good news agad yung na-receive po.
Wow, naka-indicate na doon na congratulations, ma'am, you passed the NCLEX.
Yes.
And you shared this one sa mga kasama mo right away.
Yes. Sabi nga, saan ka nagpa-process? Kasi po, ito po yung story talaga. Paano ko nalaman? Okay na po, ikwento ko po. Paano ko nalaman yung Nasha? Noong una po talaga, dalawa kami magkaibigan na gusto lang namin mag-DIY sana kasi gusto namin makatipid. Then, sabi ko toxic na sa trabaho. Tapos uwi ka pa, may isip pa gusto ko ng hassle-free. May-search ako ng ibang ang mahal ng iba. Oo. Nakita ko kayo sa yung videos niyo po sa YouTube. Wow. Tapos may in-interview po kayo ng na isa ding Muslim from Zamboanga.
Yes.
Sabi ko, legit to. Sabi ko, legit to. Kasi walang mag-testimony ng isang Muslim kung hindi to legit. Yeah, nag-message ako sa Russia. Ayun, sinagot naman yung lahat ng tanong ko po. And now, marami na akong kaibigan na nag-message sa inyo po. Sabi ko kasi sila din yung mura lang, affordable lang yung processing na NCLEX po.
Wow. Oh, thank you so much for that, ma'am. Maalala mo pa po ba kung kailan mo napanood yung video na yon? Kasi dati pinapanood mo lang for the next day, nakikita mo na yung na ikaw naman nagbibigay ng testimony, no? And
last year po.
Last year also.
Last year, I think August, September, yun po. So, mga August, July. July to September po.
Wow, so exactly 1 year yung pag-process natin and you already passed the NCLEX. Wow. That's good.
Isang Muslim din siya po. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We have assisted a lot of Muslim nurses, ma'am, for their NCLEX, not just only here in the Philippines, but even they are located abroad or yung iba nga po is foreign nurses, no? We have assisted po. And talagang legit talaga si Nasha when it comes to
legit talaga
the processing and customer.
Ang kagandahan po kasi sa Nasha, hindi na ako Ma'am, may update na po ba? Ma'am, wala. Parang hinayaan ko lang. Sila na yung nag-update sa akin. Ma'am, ito na po. May eligibility ka na. Ito yung next na gagawin. Stress-free po talaga.
Kasi yung ibang nurses back then, sila yung nagme-message sa agency to ask for update.
Yes.
Application, nasaan na yung documents nila, and so on and so forth. But with Nasha, kami po yung makulit. Ma'am, ito na yung gagawin natin.
Totoo po.
Next. Opo.
Yes po. Totoo po yan kasi na-experience ko din yan po sa ibang agency. So, parang sa Nasha kasi pag amisis ko parang gaan din po ng loob po. Makikita mo din po na may update po talaga. Never po akong nagtanong sa Nasha, ma'am, may update na po ba? Wala. Sila po talaga yung makulit. Ma'am, ito na po. Ito na po next gagawin. Yeah. So, but thankful po ako sa Nasha po.
Thank you so much for that appreciation, ma'am, and feedback. Yun naman talaga yung goal ni Nasha. We want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. We are not just a processing company that will process your NCLEX, we want to partner with you. This is your first step. You are now one step closer to your American dream. You mentioned earlier, ma'am, that you also experience using the Nasha mobile app with your QBanks, with your review. At the same time, you can track the progress of your application and you can see a lot of details related to NCLEX journey. How does it feel to see or to partner with an agency na using your phone, you can check everything related to your application and the support and motivation?
Napakadali kasi kahit saan ka magpunta, kahit pa sa work, pag may vacant time ka, pwede ka magsagot-sagot dun sa ano. Tsaka ma-inspire ka din kasi may mga testimony din dun sa ano, mga nakapasa. Saka makikita mo din yung update ng process ng papers niyo po. Kaya gamit ko talaga yung Nasha app. May isa din po akong kaibigan. So, super niya excited, nag-message na rin sa inyo. Ano ba yung app nila? Kasi ina-download ko na. Hindi na, kailangan mo pa mag-start para maka-in ka dun sa Nasha na app. Napaka-dali siyang gamitin at daling gamitin at may iba din makikita kung ano pa yung ibang offer ng Nasha.
This really helps you to focus on your exam preparation and review, ma'am. And then Nasha take care of your application process. Wow. And what are your message and advices to other nurses, ma'am, especially in your area, dyan sa Lanao del Norte, and then planning to take the NCLEX, still thinking, this is the best time to start the NCLEX ba? Saan ba ako magpa-process? Ano ba yung agency na piliin ko for the processing? What are your message and advices to them?
Para dun sa mga fellow nurses ko, especially sa mga kaibigan, nakapollow po sila sa inyo. Naisip kasi nila, mahal, parang ang hirap i-risk yung pera. Sabi ko, i-risk niya yan kasi para din sa future. Kailangan mo talaga, don't let your fear speak louder than your purpose. So, kailangan mo talaga magtiwala ka sa sarili mo, stay focus. Huwag mong isipin na hindi mo kaya kakayanin mo talaga. Tapos, kung gusto mong wala kang mas dadagdag sa stress mo, mag-Nasha na kayo. Stress-free talaga yung Nasha. Yung lalo na sa mga kaibigan ko po, kailangan mo talagang isipin na may motivation ka po na ba't mo yan gagawin. Kunting sacrifice lang po talaga. Kasi lahat naman ng sakripisyo magbubunga din ng kagandahan po.
Well, thank you for that message, ma'am. And of course, to nurses who will be watching this interview with you, yung NCLEX naman, all of the expenses that you have for your NCLEX, for your review, will be reimbursed by employers once ma-hired po tayo. Kasi ang program naman ng employers is sponsorship and direct hire. You may spend money for your NCLEX and for the review, and then they will reimburse that one once ma-hired na po tayo, which is after passing the NCLEX. The next process, the license endorsement, the business screen, the deployment processes, this will reimbursed by employers and this will be shouldered by employers. So talagang it's an investment na mag-i-invest ka sa NCLEX mo, wala kang stress, makaka-focus ka sa exam preparation and review mo kasi ang goal naman talaga natin is to pass the NCLEX. And at the same time, you will sacrifice for around 1 to 2 months lang yung sacrifice natin. You are now an NCLEX passer. Yung exam result mo, that is valid for life. If you plan to move in the US, if you plan to move or practice your profession in Canada, in Australia, you can still use that exam result even in the Middle East. So talagang that's once in a lifetime opportunity. Nasha naman, ma'am, just like what we did with you, are forever grateful to partner with our valued nurses just like you po. Again, ma'am, maraming salamat po for sharing your story. We are excited to see you in the coming months and years working as a registered nurse in the United States po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Thank you, Nasha.